Yes, welcome to JAMMIWOOD. Use and abuse your boyfriend. Like, share, and subscribe.
Girl, I don't want to sleep.
You must want to sleep after them partying the last night.
When I see me say when I time up on his home box, me up on me say top. When I time up man, I try to catch me and the whole of me neck in the gut.
Girl, you go on better than go party still. And but you still live with the father.
Me busy about me so come check on for your hairstyle. Yes, girl.
You're too bad for me now, man.
I'm a bad girl.
You know all of them they tell they but
Mama, baby, you can't go by your head we drop on me now. You broke your neck so
that not nothing to do with me. Wait, I have nothing to do with me from my head.
Girl, come on.
Me soon learn.
Yes. I don't know what to do for my father.
Come like you know see if you just come out I almost just go around. You
know say that here do?
You say that
of course me tired of him.
Where am I going to say no? Hello, sir.
Good morning, Daddy.
Where you come from?
I know say, don't let somebody go.
No, me not see you from last night, you know.
Yes, I'm
Me check in at your room.
Me go for my friend.
You go up for your friend?
Yeah.
You, not because me not technology driven. I can see up on the sound box at the dance. Somebody can come show me and I say, yo, I see your daughter going.
For me, yeah, that's really want to go.
So you now carry the principal Rastafari. So you have an head there? Make your locks, your cut out locks, put in false here.
They can be a bad girl.
And see the jag your fingernail you put in false fingernail same way. What you gonna do for help you, girl? What you can do for help you? Me buy you the land clothes them cover your down and see what you wear. Naked to the world. Or you go get a true husband. Jag your skin, you put tattoo on it. You're young.
Me don't know when me go dead.
So now that me say you're young, you go live. So why you there on the road till in the morning, sunlight I catch you back come in your yard? Eh?
So that's how I live my life now.
You ever know? You go on.
What's kind of hot?
You see? Stand up in the sun. Tell your friend, stand up there, not going on my shady. You think? Alright? Talk to your friend. Tell your mom be. Stand up in the sun, you look I'm black.
You're black?
Yeah.
My father, my mother brown.
Alright, what me answer? Turn up in the sun. Give me answer to you now. I want you to know, say. Then your type of living you can't turn your son no more. You got to go on your own. No. Me not dash around, you know. I go pay for the first 3-month rent for you. I want place. Me don't call him ready for this morning. Bed in that. Me say bed in that everything. Did I ready? There you go stay.
So what if something happened to me?
If no happen to you, you're deaf on your lash by yourself. If not, you call me. Me still a papa, but you're not walking at the footsteps. So, me no matter what time you want come in, what time you want go out. It affect me, yes so. It stress me out. Fear wonder why you're there. But all me go say to my mind, you're there the rent room. No matter what you want there. Me go put you down there. So you know where you want go, you go. Me not have to see you.
Alright.
Because if you ain't coming now, 3 weeks later, I won't know. But now me know because me there work. You're not too come to take up for the black them and move on it.
Hey! My nails will pop up, my cute.
Alright. Nobody no say no more. Say no more. Say no more. I have 2 steps if you come from Portmore rent more better than your one. Come, go take up the things them and push out. Take up the things. Help her take up the things.
Girl, come and take up the things.
Help him take up 1, 2.
That's what I'm saying.
So when you have 2 suit in your nose, I don't know how you get them from. You think that make you look good?
Let the door lock.
Push the door.
The door can't.
You look quite share them on a drink and not no good food. I know him backside picking up his good. Yeah, man. They are good, man. But everything I work out, man. Cause right now, just a fruitful and multiply. I know me have one bad springer. I push out in a hole there, so I guess that's it. We will get some grand fitness very, very soon. Before water got pumpkin belly and leash rock, you have to get some grand fitness to that one. Alright, hot foot.
Yes. I mean, I have to carry my favorite pillar too. I mean, I left it there.
Alright, so you're going around there. See the landlord around there and get the key.
Alright, come.
Yeah, man. And be tell the landlord say you alone must live there. So your friend them can go and come or whatever.
Hello. Me not tell about we just go and come. Oh.
Mama, but you can't go stay there.
Why
You can't
not?
go help my parents.
Go on, man.
No,
go on.
what about?
I told married no. But nobody go pop them people them place.
Nah, papi down, man.
Bye, daddy. Me call up. Me get to live my life now.
Yes, girl.
Come here, that's me. I got tonight.
Do what you do and doing good. After you go 10 people, me start mine the level go up.
Babe, laundry.
No, my father put me up, babe. Cause they say me I got. Yes, cause they say me I got so much party. And I be here early morning, me I come.
It's a good thing that, but are you just a country?
Me? No. They go for you ready my house give me.
Oh, I'm gonna say they are coming, but I think about a little thing. I know the last time, but anyways, let me say is, are you there come check out see, but it's a good thing that.
So when me reach up a yard, I hope you would have called you. Cause me not too know where I location, me I look for the phone and pick up.
Oh, anyway, this is me fine, so that's not know.
Alright, babes, me go call you.
So, you come on, me come check.
Alright.
In the evening.
Okay. Okay, babes. Girl, come on. I'm here with them bag, yeah. It was hey, God. Yeah, you make it get you clear. Show.
Come here, sweat.
Show man.
Sorry, the picture where you doing.
Yeah, girl, you didn't know.
My
man that.
Hey, man, that about. Hey, I must have him make it that he'll put you out.
And him, come and I don't know about him.
Come
And my
about
man
him.
that.
Personal man that.
Yes.
And you're the one.
He have money.
You have money.
Yes,
Such you have money.
Yeah.
You want him and you have your woman.
Mama, when Mama said 3 months my father parents find out, when him tap pay the 3 months the rent, who go pay for that? Not the man.
The man.
The man I go pay for.
Oh, okay, come. That's on hard. You want to because me not understand your life.
When we buy an
You
don't need to know something and everything in my life you need to know.
Of course.
What do you mean?
Okay then, let me tell you something.
What you want to
If you are the summer over there, so, and then your father come to me and ask me where you there, whatever, me don't know if you tell him say. Because me don't know
tell
where
him
you
no.
there.
Oh, just tell him say no see me from when. And I need to tell him
no
no.
problem. You do it.
Cause I said if me
Come on.
hey girl, said if me like that with my man and I say I want to tell my father. Come on, and lick off your head and see.
Come on, Marga, pick your man. You know it is it.
Who ya?
You need a job. Come on, back, no man.
You barely heard me. Hello?
Miss.
We did with a woman or man?
Honest.
Are you landlord?
So I'm gonna come so like I tell him I don't know.
Because long time one woman with tired man.
Tired. Are you here, son?
Yes.
Alright, we can go in now.
You could help with the bag.
So how much me know me here, so my father pay 3 months already.
For 6 months. You not pay you?
Alright, go on. You send it to my account already.
How much months?
6 months as a fee.
What would you push it up? Come on.
Mama,
Pick up the bag.
why in here?
I'm sorry, something I get fit tied up in here like with the kind of refurbished little bit and stuff like that. But it's what it is.
Oh, in here, nice store. So, yeah.
Alright, here one now. Me have some rules that me need to lay out to each one. Me don't want no first rule, no man.
What do you mean? A man I go pay my rent, miss. A man I go pay the rent.
I don't love woman. I mean, I don't know there. So man have to come here. What are you talking about?
Me no need no man come here. Me no want no pick me on my place. Cause when pick me come a place, they mash up place.
Are you gonna pay for everything? Are you gonna pay for my picking my shop?
What else?
Only for my
But it's supposed to take off the sheet off of the bed because I'm supposed to carry no own a sheet.
But now no, the man put her out without nothing.
Can't be paid more. See that?
Why something I wonder if you make a wrong decision for real?
No, mama, you make a nice, you make a wonderful one.
You know why you don't make a difficult decision? Because we don't have anywhere to go, especially she. She don't have anywhere to go.
Mama, what you not say?
I don't need any loud noise either.
How me can't come back there where I get them from?
Ungrateful.
Are you ungrateful after me? It's
You're not gonna help me.
That's so far.
You're not gonna help me pay the bills.
Who tell her that?
We're gonna get
Who tell? No,
I
what
don't
yourself?
know, I don't have the time for no argue. So as me say, me don't need no loud noise. You understand
Yeah,
what I say? You see
we
tenants
go
we didn't have before, no? Them are Christian. Nobody no know say nobody live over here. No loud noise, no man, no picnic.
Miss me.
And we get to know own a sheets.
Man,
Okay?
okay? Come here, miss,
Okay.
because in my pay the bill.
Uno go pay uno light bill, water bill.
But a man have to do that.
Time.
Come in at the house.
No, no got the man yard.
No, man, me can't get money. I have me one place.
Anyways,
You
me
go here, say, "Mommy, can't wait now."
anyways, me I leave because me I wait pound from morning.
Oh, we just have
We
to
leave
find
your
your
handbag. We handbag them.
Eh?
Nobody leave your handbag. I'm not gonna come back.
Oh,
Take it with carry them.
thanks to remind.
Yes, go on, I know
When you
come back. Yes.
No, me have to come back and check on the place.
No, no, the
Yes,
place.
good man, see up with us. Go on. Come in with the right time, mama.
Little.
You're leaving your girl.
So girl, me say.
We have many pop. No.
Me say. Girl, come like a door, ya.
It's a slam sam, so you man could make one different door.
So girl, I'm like say, me say Bob no. Them boy me at times. He nice no, but he talk about our bleachers. Bleachers, he have the money a scammer. Yeah, and if you look at man, cause I forgot him paid bills and this. Now when that Baba call for me tonight, I go call him when me done. I go call him.
Where's the film man? You can't get one. Let's go get one man too.
Morning. Every day I got girl, wake up.
Swim for some girl.
My mama. Girl, every day I got party. Every day I got party. Can't get up. Girl, get up out of bed. Queer.
I'm tired, bro.
Now you say that good on my yard.
See me sleep where? I'm tired.
Girl, if you get up every time I got party, because when I got party, I can't wait. Now you say that go pay yard.
So it seems like you're with my mom and so
Nah, true. My little boyfriend come over here and check me.
I see what I'm going to
Yeah.
So I think you vex you.
No more. You thinking vex, but you no vex.
Vex. Remember we had the last night at the party. Vex.
You no vex. I know when you vex, you don't vex.
You don't vex.
No.
You don't vex me now. Like, so you just walk
You no vex, man. You good. I'm come over here.
No, go over to you.
Yeah.
I say what I'm going to
Yeah, I can go up and come back.
Okay, so we had
We're 3
yeah, put me
4
up
hours.
here, man, come in here.
And 10 hours we are done.
10 hours, so long?
Yeah.
By the time we let me don't come back for the day.
Mama just come. So we go sit with me.
I am.
No, you not go sleep over here and go say go home.
And you don't hear. Remember the damn landlord coming and said you say no,
That's
man
the
in
landlord.
home.
Listen, that's the landlord business. Number one, he must go pay my rent. So me I make sure say he get to look nookie every time.
Oh, so yeah. Give her the cushy if you pay the rent. Oh, I see.
Yes, mama.
Now go on, man. Make you have your privacy. Because you're just flinging on my face. You don't become a single, you're just flinging on my face. Don't worry yourself.
Better go call him.
This is
We should
fine.
reach already.
Oh, you're so sure I come.
Ma come. My man not tell no lie, ma come. Man think say ma come. Lock the door, cause. The door I go through the one. No. should I want to do? So my man can't reach yet, girls. But you're not hungry. So man, you know, see, but we start that party.
Yes, man, I'm hungry. Say that, man, eat something for me, come here.
No more, go ahead and pay you, go eat. You know?
Girlfriend this.
Remember what kind of friend this?
Girlfriend, you have to stay from man. You know, so you
I
nothing.
never meet her to see from man. We shall get up and get some eat and go on home.
I take your word, man. Guys, when your man come here, you need when him come here. Because you feel like he's not vexing, you just can't have your woman after you do that last night at the party, back it up and select a boy.
You never back it up on nobody.
You tell me so the boy not vex. Don't yourself, see me and come to me. Come my business. Wait time.
Babe, not done. Come, babe. You want to let me away for you?
So actually,
Yeah. Yeah, use taxi as excuse.
no, so I really say taxi as excuse. So wait a minute.
No, me there. Where's all going on?
Me there, I know. But anyways, between me, you know, think something. You know, think say something happen where you need to apologize about.
What that day?
You mean, Mama, me got a party last night. Zin, you left her with me there and gone back it up and select her.
But me do not think say go feel now.
You don't respect for me.
Me think say go feel now because you have that woman.
You mean me have my woman, but me have my woman have to do with that.
Yeah,
If my woman did it, then I could have said something. You understand? But me and you got a party, and you gonna go back it up and select her, man.
But
Look for me, you may chat.
But I don't feel now.
Oh, me no feel. I mean, you got a party. If my woman did it, now you could have said something. My woman did it. My girl start playing me out. You don't know who you are.
Play with you.
Me, I want to. Supposed to be the walk over there and tapping on your face.
Walk over and take me.
Not tapping off your face. Where you go about it? No, me lick out the teeth them out of your head. And that me I make you know. How you feel like? Me I got a party, I can back it up and select her.
So I
All
never
the
feel that
selector boy
way.
them fi kick him in your face, you know. Mama, listen
You know
to
what?
me. Me I got a party, right? They were me there, they are food. You see me got a party and if you see me, listen to me. Yeah, me and my woman, yes, my woman never there party, so don't involve my woman.
I'm not involved, but
No mention say me and no woman.
You don't have a problem.
Anyway, me and your goat, me and your day. Me and your goat and me and you.
you rum.
You can't go and dash.
You rum.
So what me did it for? Back it up on me. You can back it up and select her.
I select them, I back it up on.
I want select her, I get my money, then I get your money pull up. Mama, don't play me. You come and say come shake it. How you feel like? You take this thing for?
What's that?
Mama, you have to tell me sorry, charge you, and now go down so.
Sorry.
I want something better than that. I come and come sorry. You feel like a little puppy thing. Eh? Aren't you?
I'm sorry. I'm not going to do it again.
Mama, next time I do it, I will get something in your face. Next time I do it, I will get something in your
Say I
face.
deal with me suffer.
Because you know no principle, you know no respect for me. I got a party and I'm going to back it up and select her. That's why I cut it now. You think say I become one way?
You don't need for that one, so.
Mama, no make them think that now again, man. If you have respect, you understand? If you have respect for me and everything.
Maybe sleep it off now.
I love you, you know,
You see?
but everyone like say you don't know what say things. But they can't do them things, man. You understand? You have to have respect for me, you see me?
Alright, come sleep it off now.
You think I sleep it off? Great, I'll wake it off.
Party later.
Mama, you want make you select a key, isn't it? I asked him if I go, maybe I'm not there tonight, I know you can back it up anyway.
Yeah, I shall surely call him.
Call my
I
girl,
shall surely get his number.
Me licking in your mouth. Get which number? Try me. It's not even my one me not care party, I'm not care party.
Say, go answer for wait, me ask you again before you answer me I talk about how. Me for make selection. So I'm gonna make him carry me for true. No.
No, not the boss of your face, man. Know your limit, know yourself. Here, limit. Alright. Me never hear say, yeah, no man over here, you see me do to you, me come over here. Know yourself, here. Know yourself. Yo, don't play me, girl. Watch yourself.
This dirty boy, we got call my friend, right? Let's come over. Listen, the little dirty boy wanna take up back up and lick me. Alright. Time don't get it nookie.
Girl, you know don't work yet.
Girl, what if the man did there? Girl, you know say the man did vex with you.
I need to tell you what you don't listen to me. Cause him a go long the road and me a come up here. I want to tell you say.
I say about how setting don't like you, but you know like how me they back it up for man in a party and me not respect me and I have to apologize the boy and juke out my head.
You tell us everything.
I know the corner, me have to run come at the board and up girl, come itch up so. Take out one big buckle off of me.
Me tell us everything now.
So me too enough no girl with my mouth and ask me if you a guy, girl, woman party. He go tell me say because he say select a man. So me say yes. Me go get his number and call him. Me want it. I'll kill him, nearly kill me in here.
So what you do?
Mama have to do one around come back in the corner right as so. Right as so me hook up right as so.
You could call me, no, me not defend you.
Me could call in that space of time there. So you say I go on and no girl idea.
Oh, I know you want to talk to me after you run me out for here. The piece of man come here.
Yeah. Get a little quickie.
I want to get a little quickie. Girl, what do you want? What me there? Tell me what you up to.
There. Just I'm going easy.
It look so big. Right, boss off.
Yes, you know me.
Girl. Godmother, so I know.
Girl, can go out from the road now.
Find what a big one. You're a big man, you're a bitch.
Let's say I go on no more.
But there, you know, you say the pan.
I had to find out the bag there.
Lip gloss, you know, me love put on lip gloss.
Anyways, I know. Oh, say I want to come there away from.
You man, come over.
No, girl.
Let me why no, girl. I want me know.
Girl, I want to look up find my mate have a TikTok.
I didn't tell me about it.
No, girl, cause what you think about internet?
What me that way? What me think you're eating there? I say, man, I provide and all these things.
Which man? The foreign man that give me money. Wait, that's like, you feel like I can go a big party, shut down your party them.
I always think I am man, I was coming over here, do all of this something.
Right now, not going to the game now work out. So me glad when the foreign man takes me on TikTok.
So wait, your man know about it?
No, I'm not telling you.
Hey, you just want drama that when you know about it?
If I do it.
So what you gonna do?
I'm for do. What I wait for me call. If not now want for you, more for do. Me can't dead for hunger. Me have rent for pay and so me can't dead for.
Yeah.
Yeah, what babe?
I'm going.
No, me there, what
Everything good?
Yeah.
You're sure.
Where I come from?
I've heard my first one. Where the pan?
No, me there. My friend I go and catch up. Yes. I cook some sardine and rice.
You could cook something better than that.
No, I did just sleep and I just max up something.
You don't mind there on it?
Yeah, you can walk out take it up.
Alright, now go. Get some.
Yeah, so girl, I eat your food already?
Yes. Me eat already, man. So we say the pan.
It's just so we for this fucking. Let me go do. If you know money down, we can't go shut down no party. We can't go play the bills. And we can't go eat.
Girl.
You know, see my big coach tree.
Yeah. I'm thinking of the boy.
No, mama. No boy now. No, no. Yes.
Still didn't have mama once I get the money there, so that's every time.
Yeah, girl. So who did you? Girl, you know, so we can't buy
So what drink sir?
Eh?
What drink sir?
Chicken I have I think my little one juice left here. So goodbye. Remember say you can't go bye. You know, it's nothing. You know nothing. I'm alright. I'm alright, because nothing I'm going for him. I have to make something can work out for me.
What did I say for your father?
Oh, my father. You know, so I must have not to chat like that, you know. You know, call
So
me and
you
me not call
send
him.
money or carry money come here and something?
He never used to.
Eh?
You know, he's the kind of money come him. Until
So the family run out of the
beard.
house. You know, come here, come look for you now.
No.
You're not going to look for me now. So I say back to me. People never find out out there.
I pick on me.
So you can't call to your penny?
No, I can't pa.
Are your father still? Me can't tell you what to do. Alright then, I got beard.
Alright.
Yeah, so does Max up with you?
We're going in here.
Yeah. Move forward there, baby. Alright, baby girl.
You don't say still me on the one for me yard. But
I'm finna feel right.
that's right over there, but I can't cheat back over there right now, isn't it? Because I don't tell me man say me I'm a Beijing and go. I'll be a good deal and thing, isn't it? So I can't cheat back over there and something.
Well, I'm fast, because I don't have no money. I'm father, I'm going to come to collect my money.
Next time, you don't know you're left so.
You can't drink water, no?
No, I have to drink some sweet, you understand?
Put sugar in there.
No man, you know, but I don't drink sugar or water.
Get lime out the door.
So you well, you're good though.
Yeah, me good.
So I have a friend there that much.
Eh?
I have a friend there that.
No, she tell me about her new man, she fine.
You know, say not going to hear what you're going to do, so hear about boy.
That with you, no? I'm going to say you're not calling that man.
Yeah, but still,
I can't
at least me have to hear back now. You can catch up.
You can catch up.
But I want to come in. But anyway,
I'm going to eat it for
I'm going to kitchen and say, even if I go and do your thing. Isn't it? I'm going to kitchen and say.
I'm have to do this about
And then drink the orange jelly there. What one?
No, maybe I got a beach and
You
she
know,
will.
think you say you're for you
I can't
can't wait that someone can take that song.
I'm
Yeah, you can take that song and wait.
You know, someone likes it one together though.
You like see how together?
Yeah, no just look, you know, good couple, I like sit one together. Make sure now, do nothing too bad to my friend, you know.
No, sir, I don't know what's up. That's me happy. We're cool, you know, but not really. Someday, yeah, I know, but not that, isn't it?
Make sure.
Yeah, man, matter of fact, the only boy that gear are with my woman, but you know about my woman, isn't it?
Yeah, we know that she know about your one.
Yeah, so, only gear now, but between me, you understand? Because, as I say, we are different, and you know, say good though.
Maybe I could wait on my friend.
So I'm going to
My girl, where are you?
When you want to get up for?
Oh, B. And she hug me up, you know.
Me?
She a push up on me and them something, cause she tell me say I'm man and them something. And she a push up on me and she did, cause she tap you and tell me say
Jesus
she like
Christ, you lie so.
me. You tap
I never you tell me to give you a hug. Me I got miss. You say we are going to beach, right? Me say me a walk come meet you. Me see me right. I say so me can't wait for you so. You must tell me say we are going to beach together, right? And if me come wait for you so, I'm wait for you so.
Listen what go on. Me tell her what go on. My mom's a pass and she see me right and she a tap at me say, you know, something I like see to and figure out no match and them something I can't work.
You believe that?
I understand.
Shut up.
So, hey, girl, after me having in my house.
After
me having in my house.
You know, I don't talk it. She tell me say, You should
You believe that?
You tell me say what the man send you money for a fine. To go a party. That's why what the you carry with me, I got a 3 party in my bra and I be anything. You see a man send you money to buy it.
So hey girl, after you're in a me house, right? You're in a me house, you want me man?
Calm down. Me your friend. Don't you believe
No,
that?
I don't want you no. You do it. So oh you hook up my money, so oh
Me
you
just tell us you pass me a pass go but me business
oh
and
you
it's
hook up my money,
happening.
so.
You see you?
Hey girl, as a matter of fact, come to your things them across my house.
Hello.
Come to your things them across my
You don't
house.
touch me, cause you see you now.
As a matter of fact, me no want come to the beach. Me no want come to the beach with me. Me and my man alone we got beach.
So no go much in the business, don't deal me and you
Mama,
too.
come to your things them from me, yeah.
Hey, come give back a my yard, me not come up there. Hey man, come like papi shoe.
Me can't be say little dirty girl really I tell them things. I'm telling them believe too. Because as she alone knows a foreign man I send me money.
Listen, what me I say to you is how foreign man I send the money and you know tell me them something that first me.
Cause a foreign man a foreign in them and leave it tell her.
No. So you tell me say, you been at a party and use man money for buy me liquor and
No, no, you not no money for give me.
Listen to me. It's not about the money. I understand that just the principle. You listen to me. You have fine man, right? Say me out me, you know, say I want fine man. I say, alright, then be look one nice piece of.
Maybe you know now.
Listen to me. Listen to me. What me as I tell you is, you see when you tell me, it might hurt me, but not get over it. But you see, me have to find out for myself, it will go rough. You understand? So if I know that, you know the people that not in the head, my guy. Go up, man. Go up in the yard.
Come on.
Go on now.
Yeah, deal with me now. Yeah, deal with me so far. I can't believe say look at dirty girl really do that, brother.
Listen, right now, I don't really feel the vibes going on.
What make?
No, everything just go on with your friend and...
Maybe but that we plan to go on beach.
The plan cut off, you understand?
Yeah.
You have something for you still, let's me.
What that?
Line up on bar.
You know something that I ask about that, so when we can start also.
As soon as you get everything together, so I line up the bar for you, see me?
Okay, babe.
So I link you when they link me, you understand?
Yeah.
So I just want to...
No one else, she not plan to compare things. I'm coming out of the ladder.
Yo, right now I'm pissed now. You know you don't want one lamp on the face now because I don't let me flick on your face.
You couldn't have face.
You know me. What do you? Person, man.
Go up the thing then.
So go take them out
What
now.
am I do?
So yeah. Your bag, yeah. I see one of them now. Take time with the bag, mama.
Get a bag. I can't believe say to your man. Over
In your yard. Yeah,
where are you feel like you put your hand on me?
Come feel like in my hands. Go on your yard, girl.
Mama,
You're too of a tappy. Me not like you.
Mama just do it there.
Me not like your style, mama.
You really for your dirty man put man over your face?
Mama, don't call me man dirty. Don't call me my yard dirty. You dirty with your mouth. Your mouth come like a washing machine. You just get wet.
Can't say you disrespect me.
Yeah.
Because I'm man.
Yeah.
You know just
I'm a pay my rent.
Mama just go on and work.
Your mouth come like a washing machine.
Mama, just
You spin
do
out
it.
You really
everything.
know that that's what who hug your up.
Do it now.
And number one, you alone know about the parliament. So that's why I know it's you.
Me never tell a man nothing.
Are you telling?
You know some only hear that girl.
I know about the fireman.
Mama, ask him I know about the prime man. Me never tell him anything.
So you gonna
You don't too many money to talk about. I say me like to see two all together.
Go on. Go.
Me tell them about prime man. Dirty boy.
Don't call me man dirty. Go on out. Come on, tell me how. Come on.
Don't touch me.
Watch out. Up here, man. You understand? Please.
Are you at house?
The girl want to come out of the place, so go on.
Go on now. Come can't be just say this
It's
stay.
alright. No worry I say. One day I'm gonna feel you.
You not feel me.
Mama just go on and raise the man.
I'm not gonna put my shoulder. Remember see a man having woman, you know. Remember come like say it a drop.
Me get a next
Remember
man.
having woman.
Get a next man.
Okay. I see what live your life.
Yes.
I work up, get up and look.
No, mama, don't worry about that. You go look at where drunk crow. Go look at work.
Woman over your friend. Why
Yes.
you man to drunk?
My man, not dirty
Liar,
girl.
boy.
Come from me house. Come from me house. I don't like him, man.
He gone on here, man. He gone.
Okay, I don't mind, man.
You can't business so she did stay.
But so, you never want to tell me?
I don't have no problem, but you can't look my man behind my back.
Yeah, that's not true. But now if you fix something, I feel nothing.
So people just like going on.
I look on the beach there, yo, but you broke my vibes, bro.
Me, whatever you say now, man, I go.
You broke my
I understand you just so way.
Because
But me
you
alone
move
too.
like, say, you're an idiot. You
Or me move like me an
You
idiot.
move like you're scabbing, my girl.
Who will move like this and this me? Or me move like me a scabby?
Listen up, you move like you're hearted. You say, yo, show me a man when I go look at this man. Where you at?
She say one day the man go fail me. So me say, when he fail me, I'm gonna look at next man.
Mama, me realize say you're try. You like your body. You use your body to make you're a taxi. Are you a taxi?
Yes.
Why you want to text me passing?
I this me.
Me not this say no more.
Come out of my house.
Listen, man. Mama, me looking in your face. That me tell you. No way you are. But come out of the house. No chat to me.
So you have no face fat.
No chat to me, so. You come up and chat up and mouth now this like you feel. What you feel like? Get up. Me tell her this too. Me I start get serious for you up in this. You hear me? I tell you, see the girl that we don't want to back over here. And you see party the money you go, you not got no more party. You see every money you get from the foreign man, you better carry come and give me too. You want to say something? Yeah, I'm not hearing you. You say? Oh, me think you say something. You understand? Me don't want you left out here and not ask me.
So you deal with me so far.
Me I didn't suffer. Me tell her this. You see everything you do, every money you collect, you give me. You see work when I get for you, it's when I get the money, you give me every money where you get. Me pay you.
But I know you pump on your work.
Mama, and me get line up for work for you every money.
My time, I give you
I want to give you, what you mean give you something what I want. If me want to give you something what I me give you something what I don't come tell me about you. If you want to give me something, you give me something.
I know you work.
Mama, listen to me. Me get work for you, you understand? Me get work for you. Everything, all the thing you can offer me right now is look up. And I look at something there right there. So you come back and hype up yourself.
So at least it's something I give you.
What?
At least something I give you.
Me something I give you
But I
back
can't
something.
look at work after my own.
Mama, listen to me. You work on me give you and you have to do. You see every money you get, you say if I get 20 grand, give me 20 grand. Me give you 5 days of time. You understand? Mama, listen to me.
Not my own money.
Mama, listen to me. You already the money, but it's mine. You understand? So I don't know you come back. I don't want back the girl over there. I don't want you go on no road, no party, you have to go. Where your phone? Where your phone? Where your phone? Where your phone?
I know we party there.
Mama, you see when you find me, more you can't come give me. You understand?
Yeah.
Alright, you see, if you want to use it too, you have to beg me to use that. That me I tell you. You can always somebody you can call your mother, you can call two of your brother them. Not to be a sister, I'm not like a sister like that. You understand? You come and go and chat about me, but come out of the house. You buy a house here? You buy a house here? You have parent here? My girl, watch your mouth, man. Watch your mouth, don't make it happen again. You hear me I tell you? You hear me I talk to you, don't make it happen again. Now go around next time, come back around and make sure you have something nice. Because I have work and this and later. Come back and chat up. I want you, my girl.
Come back for myself, you know. This boy come to kill me. Let's do it. One bills.
What go on?
Okay.
Is that show me just don't watch it? If you watch the next one. So, how go on? You don't tip today for the work?
No, I'm not getting no tip. Me must say I've kind of really tip day today, you know. Today work, be boring. We never did that to get no customer.
Anyway, still me kinda feel like a pinkish. Where I cook later? Where I cook now? No later. No, where I cook now?
It's me tired. Me just come from okay home to get
So you could buy something on the road for
I
our
don't have no money.
My girl, me tell us you know more right now.
So you don't have no money, can buy something?
You don't worry about me I chat about you, don't chat about me.
So
That's
want to
what
your
I'm
money where you have.
Don't worry, Mama, let me tell us here.
So you want me one for your spend?
Let me tell us here. Come on. Come here. Come here.
So yeah.
Come over, son. Come on, sir. Can I get you go through one of your ears then? I can go through one of your ears. What me say to you, boy? Tell me, I'm not chatting. What me say to you, man? Me say, why you never buy a food on the road? It's either come out and go buy food, or you're there and start chat up your mouth. Eh?
We may go buy when me done.
When I'm done?
Yeah.
I know more of the food, I know we're hungry and later tomorrow.
So what do you can...
My girl, listen to me. What me tell us if you do? Are you ready there, Satan? What me tell us if you do?
Don't make your box me so hard. I'm can't deal
Listen,
with so.
me have to deal with you so can you behave like a scabby, my girl.
Okay, but I never scabby. No,
Shut up.
Good evening.
Good evening. Say a bad jeans so. We are shut on big. If it buck down somebody.
Be you ready for butt down somebody? I come to remind you about the rent when you 2 weeks time from now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me know.
Because you see, you I don't know if your sister, your friend, or whoever she be. You know, trick me 3 months ago. Tell me about 6 months on the father pay for. What make you know wicked so?
But we never trick you. Me just tell you something we have to work with. But eventually never work. But me I want work, you know, me I work. So we get your money.
You try to make sure say the money reaching on my account 12 o'clock in the morning when I the day where it's supposed to reach in. Me no want know when sun hot. Me they get my money. You hear me tell you now? Cause I don't trust you no.
We not trust you. Alright. We get your money, don't worry.
So me not tell you so me no want no man in my yard.
I'm have to pay rent, so I have to pay here. And a tenant have man in the yard, have man up there.
It's alright. Cause me no listen. Just make sure. 2 weeks time before
the
you
money I go get and if you worry about nothing.
My girl, me tell you this. You know, I make your landlord like you come chat to man, so you understand? Alright, you better put her in that place. Your landlord come in and confidence, she can't come style, man. You understand me? You understand what I say?
Babe, me away I see.
Because I know you come in and cost more rent. Listen, you see when you not work, you see by the day when you not work, I go here, I go to free. I go link one of my virgin, then I come in the evening, see by the day when you not work, you go work at that bar. So anyway, you take it, you always at work. You not take no one.
So please, I can't use and abuse myself.
Listen to me. I'm come chatting about use and abuse. You go like, listen, you see, you way how you behave, me a cheat anyway. You understand? You behave like a scabby, me a cheat like a scabby. You behave like a look good girl, me a cheat like a. You understand?
I don't buy a fuck. I mean, you can't take disrespect. I don't know what I'm going to say. I don't know why I choose to take up a man like you.
Yeah, listen to me. I'm 5'10" now. I make 5'12" kitchen every week. Okay, one.
So people don't have to share the food.
Hello, Howard. Listen. Just do what I say and stop and talk to me.
I'm tired. Boy! How is money that?
Dirty girl. Who you they call man idiot?
I'm me alone there, so. Are you me call man idiot? You think you're not thinking on the street? Every bar you work, you have to take the money and give the man.
Your man, if me want give him all and want buy my car, no. I'm my man.
Okay, then you say abuse him, abuse you.
Me no business, me I'm fi abuse me.
Listen to me, miss. Listen to me, good.
No, you know, friend, you know.
Listen to me. Yeah, everything what the man say, you have to do. Look there, remember so we used to go party together, you know.
What? So
you can't come again.
At least me at work. Me at work, me need to come and no party.
Shut up, shut take your hand to my face and me talk.
What is that girl?
I'm now war with and I'm nothing.
Me can't war with me now.
You know, say sticking on the street, you know, say me was thick. And people have it in the street, you say, I call up a name, say you have your mind, man, a man, not get nothing, you have to go to work. You know me feel, brother? You know, say I'm a friend, bro.
Yes, no friend.
Okay, that means that you have something against me. Me not have nothing against you.
Mama, listen.
Because you can't make your man make me and you in a deal, bro.
Mama, listen.
Remember we used to go party.
Me not put myself in another talking video. Me is no friend. Argument done. Bye.
Alright then.
Yeah.
I need that. That's Squidward.
Seafood them here.
What kind of food do you buy?
Chicken.
Anyways, my link to nigga and the nigga said to me say, nigga said to me say, can't work, you see me? So when I get there, if I let the bar there, I'll go next bar, go work, you see me? But yeah, well, same procedure, you see me, not change.
Same procedure.
Oh man. When you get any little money you get, you just forward it to me, you understand? Any amount of money you give me, if you have a little silver to you, give me everything.
Silver?
I give you what I want to give you, you understand? So any money you can find 2 bar them, you can't go and give me. You understand?
Yeah.
If you're there working, you're hungry, mama, what are you hungriness?
What?
What are you hungriness and can't money go and give me? Anything you can't take from me. You see me? Not about meat bar enough by your time. You see me? Come on, someone, let's talk to you. Come on, that's about meat bar enough by your time, money, you understand? Yeah, so any little money, none time, you make nothing, yeah. As I said before, you name it, nothing to about. I'm not just saying, I'm sure not lie to me. Because I feel like you not give me some of my money smart, you know.
Which money? I don't want no tip.
Remember, say me know how much money you work. And the most, remember, say me know the most amount of tip you make a day. So if a guy come in here and $10 short, the killer will look in here.
Sure.
Mama, you need to talk to you all the bed now? You need me to talk to
See
you?
how deal with me, so.
Listen to me. What me say a while ago? What me say to you a while ago?
You know what you say?
No, I don't want to say it here. What me say to you a while ago?
You say anything me get me pick you. I'm not to take nothing out of time. I'm not to shot me.
Are you not for what? You feel what me say you feel do? You feel what? You dead for your work. What me say you feel do?
See how
What me say, Mama. What me say you feel do?
Something dead for hungry.
So where you are going to go work and hungry?
Dead for hungry.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna come give you.
Alright. So I love you and you love me. Eh? I try to love you and you want me to do this, you know.
You love me, that's why you lick me.
Yeah, I love me, I show you my love. If me thump in your mouth, I love you. You don't love me. Say you don't love me. You have to say you don't love me.
I love you.
Yeah, I see every box and keep coming here. I love you, baby. I love you, baby. You understand? So I love you. You see me? Say no busy, nobody wants to say that. You show me love you, man, I beat you. You see man, when I beat them, man, they don't love them. You understand? But just show me love you. I feel beat you. I feel cold too, man.
What?
I thought this happened. Yeah, I call you. You see me? Mama, what you do?
Me I got out of here, so out of
Out of food, man. How do you? Man, I figure what I love you back. Go to your man.
up there. Anyways, I'm going to have to cool off because I'm tired. I'm going to cool on my brain. I'm going to watch on Netflix.
Alright.
Muy bueno, aguante.
Yes, come on here.
Anyway, right now, I'm making one card, isn't it?
Alright.
Yeah. Wagwan. Yeah, man, how are your boyfriend? What me and say when I work today? Oh. Don't worry about that, man. She a father work tomorrow, so don't worry about that. Oh, I drunk in. Him good, man. Me see my make it kill them. Alright, she a father work tomorrow. Yeah, man, respect.
Ah, God.
Yeah, we're gonna work tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna work it. Can't get the rest of it.
What's that?
I said, tomorrow you're going to work so you
I'm
can't.
not gonna work tomorrow.
What do you mean you're not going to work
We
tomorrow?
stop work.
What do you mean by you're not going to work?
We stop work.
Who says stop work?
Me say
Me
so.
say stop work?
No, you.
Me say stop
If
work?
I can't go look at work.
Mama, me say you're going to work tomorrow.
Me don't go no work.
Wait,
If they can't go look at work.
we are chat about you're not going to
But they can't go look at work.
Who
We
fi go look
stop
at
that work.
Mama, how me tell us if you can't work?
You can't make me decide myself. No.
You're not learning.
What mean by me not learn?
Who say if you stop work? Me say if you stop work?
Me say so.
Me tell us if you can't stop work?
No.
Mama, let me tell you something. Anything me say goes, I goes.
Me not go.
Yeah, I gotta work tomorrow.
Me not go.
Yeah, I gotta work tomorrow. What do you mean you're not gonna work? What do you mean you're not gonna work? What do you mean you're not gonna work? Eh? Listen, okay. Yeah, I gotta work tomorrow.
Me not gonna work.
I did, girl, me kill you, you know, me say
Don't kill me.
Yeah, I gotta work. Yeah, I gotta work. Yeah, I gotta work. Come on. Come on.
I can't be a deal with myself.
What me say? Yeah, I gotta work tomorrow, right? Yeah, I gotta work tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta work tomorrow, right? Eh? You're going to work tomorrow?
No.
Yeah, I gotta work tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Okay. You're going to work tomorrow, Zine?
Yes.
Bright and early, same time. No later, no earlier.
Yeah.
Alright. Some of love you know. Yeah? I get something to eat. I'm hungry too, you see me? Yeah, man. Hello.
Hello.
Where there?
Me there work. Me.
Yeah, you know get paid.
Yeah, me get paid.
So where the pan the road I do so long?
I come here. I come
You get paid for the 2 bar them?
Yeah.
Alright, just follow you know your routine already. Me there wait for you.
Alright, me I come.
Alright, hurry up you know. Alright.
Hello?
Hello.
What?
Welcome. Which way there?
Me just left from the bar.
You get pay already?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, me sure.
From the 2 places them.
Yeah, me have the money.
Remember the normal procedure, man. So forward, me there wait for you.
Yeah, me a
No
come.
stand on the road and tarry, you know.
Me not tarry, me a come now.
Alright, hurry up.
Money. I'm not happy. I don't have the money. You're gonna kill me now. So I don't have the money. What am I gonna do now? What am I gonna do? Money. I don't have the money. What am I gonna do now? Daddy? Hello?
Go on, my daughter.
What, daddy?
I'm not there, you know. Yeah, where you say I go on, my daughter?
No, you're good at something?
You know, say your father always good enough. How about you?
Daddy, you know, say me I work, me get paid, but the money lost, and me have to pay me debt, then me never can lend me more money.
Listen up. I have to show your life. I can tell you when I was small and I checked my family for a piece of money, go be a long story. You have time to talk? Because
yes, Daddy, when me told I see.
Me here say you have man a tip on you.
Daddy, I lie.
I rent house for you, me say a man I run the house, you know. And you go work and him take care of yard. Him turn house husband. So me see I work on mine, man.
Daddy, I lie.
So, when you say you lost your money,
yes, Daddy.
maybe a jar show your sign.
What kind of sign Jack could I show? Daddy, me tell you, my bills them.
Oh,
me
yeah.
owe somebody.
So why can't I make the man pay the bills since the last money? But what you couldn't do for last month of them a time?
That me I said to come, me didn't have the money.
And what you do with the money?
Me put it, me no know, me put it in my pocket or my bag. Me put it in my bag,
Oh, you
come like it
move
drop
like
out.
silly Billy.
Daddy, me not move like that silly no bill no Willie.
But hear me I say now. Right now your papa now no money. And you try to keep some money from give me.
Daddy, so I say I did one look. Me alone having no daddy and I say I did me and I'm no money at all for me daddy.
Oh yeah what? Next weekend I lend me money.
Next weekend daddy I know me want it.
Next weekend me not the money no. Later me have to cut.
Girl, me say, when I know today I'm lucky day, girl. Today I'm lucky day, me I tell you, girl. I know party I go mad, girl. Yes, Kayla. So I start my money on the road. Nice sweet, my girl, because I know me did block, me did day, I could have got a party. But now I have a money, no. Yeah. I never know, say. What? No, I can't come because I have money can't deal it with business. Alright, you don't call her back. Yeah. Yeah, what do you? What happened to you? Me and a friend, but me still care. Lots of money?
Yes.
You better lots of money.
Lost the money.
What money you lost?
$1,000 or $100 or around 15,000 me lost.
Oh, Jesus. Where you do for lost the money, girl?
I don't know me I put it in my bag and it come like it drop out.
Come and tell you something.
What?
It's a friendship. And she was something you have to cherish. I never put man over your friend. But me I walk on the road. And you see that I hear money me find some money on the road. But it'll be my conscience, you know, say I hear money me I take a party. Me on my phone, as I can see me on my phone. I talk to my friend. So I find money and I like a party tonight. But see, because we realize say you just cry and me we feel it is right to take your money, so I give you it back.
Yeah.
You find the money.
You find?
Yes, and me think I feel your one, cause
So you find you give me it now?
me I give you money.
So give me it now? I eat. Thank God.
Never put man over your friend.
Yeah.
Come. I'm sorry about what happened.
Yeah.
So how you find mama?
So, I chew. Oh, I'm a friend. I'm a friend.
Yeah, friend. Well, I'm pan. So what are they pan?
So babe, I'm gonna buy one food. I want drinks. I buy a burger. You want one?
No, son, you know somebody land a burger too.
Oh, you follow me to buy a burger?
Want some water in the kitchen, man. Get some water.
Very plain, me tired.
Some water for me in the kitchen. Thirsty.
Alright, then.
Babe, you know, friends, no water around the door.
That good then, man. You know, so when
We
they
can't go buy one water without
no
money.
man, no buy no water here, man. No water. So no good still.
Yeah.
So
Don't find it ready?
No, me
no man, you can't go on the road, man.
No, me I go and think back to you.
So I don't think you're not your friend.
Yeah, him talk to me. Because
That's good,
about the
You
situation.
know, that's good to see when the girls talking again and learn something. You know. It's a good thing. You know,
Yeah,
it's
it's so-
wonderful. Oh.
No, we are move different.
No, some of them different things. Just there, I say, alright.
Something cute there, so you know, I can sit down.
Yeah, can't go and sit down and say your friend, man.
Eh?
I have someone say, I drop me a make. I can go home. Later.
Alright, let's talk, babe.
You come and say it now, man.
Alright.
So, hello, hi.
Wow.
Where money?
You don't be keeping money.
No, I want your friend over here. No, but girl, give me money.
But me I go buy a burger.
Give me money. We have chop.
Me hungry.
Give me money. This burger you go buy.
No, me I go buy a burger.
Take
Me
your money your time.
hungry.
Give me.
Yes, babe, no, you have to go
My
in
girl.
my bag.
Pass the money. Give me now.
Babe,
Mama, all the while you give me money. I hesitate, but sit down, listen, man. Take out the money. Give me now.
please make me
Take out
hungry.
the money. Let me give you money for go buy burger. What do you?
You're not gonna give me no
Me not always
money.
give you money, mama.
You're not gonna give me no money. Come and me give you a money,
Come.
babes. Babes, come and me give you a money now.
Every time I buy me donate.
Babes, alright, come and give
Take
me
out the
money.
money. You know, sir. Shut up your mouth. Give me
Wait,
money.
no,
Let me give you.
babes. Babes.
My girl, stop. Hold on them for the money. Me give you money.
No, I'm money my parent, babe.
How much? Alright.
Don't be doing this, yeah.
Buy some juice, man. Buy yourself a juice.
I don't want this, yeah.
That's some love, man. Yes. Yeah. You know, anyways, I go up on the road. They see me like a bar, you know. I run bar.
So I'm money as parent,
Yeah? Well, mama, you have to go figure out the part there, you know. I already do my part already. Nice, dude. That's why I'm going to tell some love. Mama, yeah, no, you figure it out. You see me? Love you, yeah. You see me? Too far back. Don't let you add no.
You see all of this? Yeah, I'm going to do it blood. Like, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do it backside. This is not enough money. Backside. God, brother. If you want to check, if you know me take up some money and I'm in life, I got problem.
Where they from? You good?
Yeah.
I'm out tonight.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I keep on party.
So like our time.
But I don't want to go.
You mean you don't want to go?
I don't
Woman, yeah, listen, your boss keep a party. Yeah, get.
You me not get another money there when they come.
Mama, just relax, man. Until I say I get money. Yeah, I collect money and give me and I pay you. You see me?
Pay
So,
me.
listen up. Guy party.
300 now?
What's on guy work? The massive party. People are going there. Things are going and things are going. You understand? See, I go up on the party now, ma'ams. And that's normal. If somebody say you're babes, you want a juice, say yeah man, I want a juice. If you want to buy, say not buy me, just you take your money. And put your one foot, you see me? But you get some extra power me and give you, you see me? So just go out, man, you see me? You see me? At some point, you know, yo. Sit to me, man. So you ready, everything?
Yeah.
Alright then. Pick up your bag and shoe boat.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, man.
Let's put that fine just later.
Alright.
No matter, take care of yourself, mommy. No.
Yeah, man, take care of yourself, man.
Alright, babe.
Alright. Hello. I wish I did it. I go in the room, you know. Come give me a one link, man. Me there. Come give me a one link. I'm alone there. Alright, let's go. What that? Yeah. They're forward there. Wait.
Look at the other side.
Yeah. That's good.
You mean that's good?
Because I'm happy she's not here.
Yeah, well, that's not true, so.
All the time.
You know what I mean?
So you can feel mom.
You know, say, you can't get him just look say. You can't let mom just like that. How that?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm looking. May I come there? May I come?
Yes,
Where you go? Minute. My girl, what are you? Where are you? Come here now.
Take my answer for.
Not no use like I'm here parenting.
You have parenting?
Man, shut up. I'm here parenting. Stop nice. Where are you home, sir?
You have to cut off your boss.
No, where you cut off your boss for?
Can you not move,
Are
right?
you worried that?
Me left the walk there.
Oh, yeah, it's a boss for. Yeah?
You come and tell.
What me tell her? What me tell her say? Let me not tell her. Yo, girl.
Boss, give me a tough shot. Let's see what they can give me. Let's see what they can give me. I'm going to now walk. Let's see what they can give me. Why?
Happy for the year.
Come on.
I'm in here. Don't let me for the year.
Oh, so I guarantee.
Wait there. Where do you?
I guarantee.
Oh shit.
Come on.
Happy for the year.
My nails them papa say this look dirty boy. You have to pay for the back my nails.
You have to go.
Nah, cut.
Oh,
Unless you promise you're not the car back.
Sorry, it was just a big misunderstanding.
Which big misunderstanding? Which standing?
Alright, Miss Sally. We're not trouble again. We can't go, we're not trouble again, Miss Sally.
Are you for come out?
Come on! Bye.
Are you for come out?
Let me...
Go pay down this time and I pay. Me have pay rent. Me don't want to start a
You me away pan how long?
Me away pan? You think you away pan me?
You me away pan you.
What me by away pan me?
You can't trust me.
What you do over here?
You do the pull and me come in, bro.
So when me come in, I never see you.
Because me, as you can see, I was here sitting down. Waiting.
We probably said it today.
Right there upon the something, if you know what that be. And then, see boy attack somebody have to come out, so many if you do. Make him beat you.
Me happy see you can't help me, you know. But the fact is what you do in here. You ain't did that all along?
No girl, you know what to do that.
Anyways.
Me want to go back normal. Me no want to feel beef again.
Who are my nails then? And I must find him and beat him up.
Every time you boy beat you, you realize he don't want you to use you.
I couldn't manage him. I be everything else to leave me.
You can't go with me now.
Come for the go take care.
I tell me boy abuse your man. Look at you're nice.
Sure. This is the end of Use and Abuse movie. And all who out there is getting news and abuse more than like if you come out of it. I'm out. I like you guys to share, comment, share, subscribe and comment and tell a friend to tell a friend I'm out.